Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to block yourself from registering inside your Google Analytics. So sometimes if you are developing some kind of an application and you don't want yourself to be added inside your analytics views, then this Google has developed this extension right here. So it's a verified extension, Google Analytics opt-out add-on by Google. It's used by almost 1 million developers. So this basically blocks everything data sending out to your Google Analytics server. So whenever you are visiting your website, uh, that view will not be registered inside your Google Analytics. So it's a very important plugin. Simply activate this plugin, and if you own any sort of website, then this will be a great plugin. So once it is activated, simply plug this. So this will look something like this. And now if you visit any website, let's suppose I own this website freemediatools.com and I visit on a daily basis. So I don't want this view to be registered. So what I will do is that I simply click on that. So now whenever I'm visiting my own website, that view will not be counted. So if I look at my analytics, so Google Analytics you can open. So you can even verify this by going to Google Analytics. So whenever you refresh here, that view will not be counted. So as soon as you activate this extension, so once it is activated, your view will not be counted. So here, as I'm browsing my own website, as you can see, that view is not registered. So in this easy way, this is a very good extension developed by Google to actually block yourself. If you are keep opening your website again and again, that extension will help you. It will not registered, and you will be blocked by your own analytics. So that's a good, your IP address will not be counted. So in this easy way, uh, you are keep visiting your own website, that view will not be counted. So in this easy way you can do this, and